Hello everybody, this is Lucas at Frugal Landlord. Today I'm going to be using this gas jackhammer to drive 8-foot grounding rods for our electrical hookup here at the mobile park. The other way that I used to do it was to drive it with that 12-pound sledgehammer, and I think this is going to work a lot better. So, I'll show you how. I cut the tip off of this. This is just a chisel bit. I cut the tip off and welded on a piece of 3/4 inch steel pipe so that it will stay on the rod. Okay. Let it warm up while I'm doing my other stuff. Now these grounding rods have to be 6 feet apart by code. So one's going here and one's going to go over there. The reason it's going in easy is the first 3 feet I've already got, it's loose soil because I dug the hole for the conduit. But after a few feet it'll get hard. Like now it's going to get really hard. Make sure it's in there. Yeah. So that was a lot easier. At least 6 feet. We'll do it over. That's 7 feet, so let's do it 6.5, somewhere in there. I've done that. That's the 4th rod I've drilled. That's the 4th rod I've pounded. The other 4 I did with the sledgehammer. And the ones I did with the sledgehammer literally took me nearly a half an hour each. That's not a joke. That one was a little harder to go down than the first one, obviously, because that one had the conduit loose soil. But I did a review on that jackhammer in another video, and I'm not sure, it probably weighs a good 50 pounds. No, 40, maybe 40 pounds. So just the weight of that thing with the impact just helps to drive the rod down really fast. So it's just a easy way to do it. Like it was 0 effort. I didn't even break a sweat, actually. So there you have it. So, because we're going to be driving a lot of those when we put more mobile homes in. So it makes it a lot easier, saves a lot of time and a lot of effort. So yeah, easier than swinging this thing. Ugh. Although I do like that sledgehammer. That's a good sledgehammer. So we're gonna put a number 6 wire from the box. We're gonna put the box somewhere in here and screw it to that post. And there's gonna be a number 6 bare wire going from the box to the first rod and then to the second rod, and those actually have to be buried deeper than that. So I'll have to drive them down a little deeper than that, but after I get the wire on there. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Yeah, if you have any questions, give me comments.